Short-term medical insurance. What is short-term medical insurance? Short-term medical insurance plans are limited duration plans, not subject to certain provisions of federal health care reform, including the provisions related to essential health benefits, lifetime limits, preventative care, guaranteed renewability, and pre-existing conditions. However, short-term health care coverage is more affordable than traditional health insurance. Short-term health insurance plans are limited by Oregon law to a duration of no more than 3 months, including renewal periods, meaning that in Oregon, new federal rules that allow for longer short-term plans do not apply. What happens when you reach your coverage period? At the end of your coverage term, most insurers will allow you to reapply for another short-term health plan. These health insurance plans do not normally constitute an automatic continuation of your first plan. Apart from the fact that Oregon law limits these plans to covering people for just 90 days, it also requires a 60-day gap in coverage before a second 90-day plan may be issued. Need health insurance as soon as possible? Short-term health insurance plans have no open enrollment period restrictions, meaning that you can apply at any time. Also, once your application has been approved, you can use your coverage as early as the next day. Short-term insurance is for you if you miss the open enrollment period and you're not qualified for special enrollment. You are waiting for your ACA, Affordable Care Act, Obamacare coverage to start, or if you're unable to apply for ACA. You are looking for coverage to bridge you to Medicare. You are in between jobs and waiting for benefits to begin at your new job. You are turning 26 and coming off your parents' insurance. You are healthy and under 65. For these situations, short-term health insurance, also called temporary health insurance, might be the best option. It can help fill that gap in your coverage until you have a longer-term solution. Moreover, the benefits covered by short-term medical insurance are typically high deductible that cover catastrophic visits related to emergency care, meaning these plans may work well if you don't require regular medical care, such as frequent visits to the doctor or costly maintenance prescriptions. Remember, pre-existing conditions are not covered for all insureds, including those under the age of 19. Why a short-term health insurance plan makes sense. Here are some facts. A short-term health insurance plan is much more affordable than an Affordable Care Act ACA plan. Since a short-term plan does not have to cap out-of-pocket costs like an ACA-compliant plan, it can be availed with higher deductibles and much lower premiums. Starting in 2019, people who choose to enroll in short-term plans, sometimes called temporary health plans, are no longer liable for any penalties. The ACA individual mandate has been repealed to remove the penalty sanctions shouldered by those who prefer short-term health insurance over ACA health plans. Short-term health insurance is adaptable. When you purchase ACA health insurance, you are paying monthly premiums for all essential health benefits. With short-term health insurance, you have the option to select and pay for just the benefits you need, such as doctor visits, x-rays, and hospital coverage. You may sign up for a short-term health insurance plan all year round. Unlike ACA health plans, which have an annual enrollment period, November 1st to December 15th of each year, short-term policies are available 24/7, 365 days a year. The enrollment and eligibility process is quick and easy. With just a couple of yes/no questions about major health concerns, you'll be able to sign up and get health insurance at an affordable rate. Most short-term policies allow you to choose your own doctor and hospital without restrictions. Apart from covering a wide range of doctor services, surgery, outpatient, and inpatient care, you'll have the option to choose your preferred doctor and hospital. However, you'll pay lower out-of-pocket by using in-network providers. You can cancel a temporary health insurance plan anytime. Most short-term health plans allow you to make month-to-month payments up to the maximum term. And at the end of your policy, your coverage will automatically terminate unless you decide to cancel your coverage at an earlier date. Benefits of short-term medical insurance in a nutshell. Fast coverage. You're covered as soon as the day after you apply. Lower premiums compared to ACA health plans. And no penalty when you drop the coverage. This may occur if you find a better alternative. If you don't have situations, life events, that can help you qualify for special enrollment, then you can enroll in a short-term plan in the event something major occurs, such as a heart attack, cancer, or accidents. This way, you can assure yourself and your family won't be paying for excessive medical bills. Are there any limits on short-term medical insurance? Yes. Always remember that every short-term health care policy must list these exclusions, so review them thoroughly. The usual exceptions include mental health treatment, prescriptions, pregnancy, and injuries related to dangerous activities such as summit climbing, motocross, cliff diving, among others. Individual services like hospital stays may also have dollar limits. For example, if the policy has a $3,000 limit on hospital stays, any amount beyond that is your responsibility. Some short-term plans may offer up to $1 million in coverage. It's quick and easy to sign up for Oregon short-term health insurance. We simplify things for you. Health Plans in Oregon gives you free assistance on short-term health insurance. We have been helping Oregonians get affordable health care plans since 2006.